Terraria world corruption occurs when your world file, the .wld file, becomes damaged. This can lead to missing chunks of terrain, glitched or broken land, lost items from your inventory, or the world failing to load entirely. This corruption often happens due to incomplete writes during saves, game crashes, mod incompatibilities, hardware failures like disk errors, software conflicts such as antivirus programs scanning files mid-save, or desyncs in multiplayer shared worlds. To illustrate, here's a normal inventory and gameplay scene, but corruption can cause these items and structures to disappear or glitch. World corruption remains a top reported issue on platforms like Steam and mobile app stores. Before diving into advanced methods, try Terraria's built-in World Repair tool, accessible from the main menu. As of 2026, Terraria automatically generates up to 3 rolling backups of your world file every 10 minutes during play. Check your Terraria save folder for these backups. If the standard repair doesn't work, one of these backups might be your quickest route to recovery. Look for files ending in .wld.number. If you use cloud syncing services like Steam Cloud or Google Play, your Terraria world might be automatically backed up there. Check the cloud services interface to see if you can restore an earlier, uncorrupted version of your world file. Since improvements in 2024, Cloud Sync has significantly reduced the impact of world corruption. This method is often the easiest and most reliable way to restore your world if corruption occurs. For more advanced fixes, consider using third-party tools like the Terraria World File Reader Editor. These tools allow you to examine and manually edit the .wld file. Popular tools include Tedit, a comprehensive world editor that displays the entire map with all biomes and structures. This visual interface makes it easier to spot and fix corrupted areas. These tools can help recover specific sections of your world or identify the source of the corruption by allowing direct manipulation of game data. Be cautious. Incorrect edits can lead to permanent data loss. Always create a backup of your .wld file before attempting any modifications. However, manual edits involve hex editing WLD files, but this risks permanent loss if done incorrectly. Tools like hex editors allow direct binary manipulation for precise fixes. Mods are a common cause of world corruption in Terraria. If you're using mods, especially experimental ones, ensure they are compatible with your Terraria version. T-Mod Loader's 2026 release includes corruption proofing for worlds, triggering warnings for incompatible mods before saving. Corruption can appear as glitched terrain or missing chunks in your world. Always back up your world before installing new mods. With 80% of players using mods, trends show a 25% annual increase in corruption reports tied to experimental mods. The Terraria AI Fixer is a community-developed mod that uses machine learning to automatically repair corrupted world files. It analyzes damaged terrain and reconstructs it autonomously, making it perfect for those who prefer not to edit files manually. The tool works by examining the corrupted world file for damage patterns, then using machine learning algorithms to predict and rebuild missing or broken terrain sections. According to user feedback on GitHub, this AI-assisted approach successfully fixes 70% of minor corruptions without any user intervention. One of the key benefits is that it requires no manual file editing, making it accessible even for players who aren't comfortable with technical fixes. To visualize the process, here's an example of a corrupted world on the left, and how the AI Fixer can restore it on the right. Prevention is the best defense against Terraria world corruption. By taking proactive steps, you can avoid the frustration of lost progress and corrupted worlds. Always exit Terraria properly through the main menu. Force closing the game can interrupt the save process and lead to corrupted world files. Make regular backups of your Terraria world files. Copy the WLD files from your save folder to an external drive or cloud storage. The game now creates automatic backups, but manual ones give extra security. Be cautious with mods. Only use mods from trusted sources like the official Terraria forums or Steam Workshop. Incompatible or poorly made mods are a leading cause of world corruption. Perform regular hard drive health checks. Use tools like Disk on Windows or Disk Utility on Mac to identify and fix disk errors that could corrupt game files during saves. Enable cloud saves for extra protection. Services like Steam Cloud or Google Play automatically sync your worlds, providing a backup if local files become corrupted. Relogic recommends using the built-in World Repair tool. Found in the main menu, it can automatically fix many types of minor corruption without external help. Understanding data integrity is key. Terraria uses checksums and hashing to verify backup files. A checksum is a unique code generated from file data. If the file changes, the checksum changes too, alerting you to corruption. Looking ahead, Relogic is working towards a zero corruption world generator in Terraria 2.0, expected around 2028. This will use blockchain-like data verification to ensure worlds remain intact. Experts forecast 50% fewer corruption incidents by 2030, thanks to cloud-based auto repairs that automatically fix issues without player intervention. The trend is shifting to automated repair tools and stronger data validation. This emphasizes digital literacy, like regular backups, similar to IT courses teaching data recovery in the real world.